How to disable camera roll sharing suggestions on Facebook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you that how you can disable camera roll sharing suggestions on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So you need to open your Facebook application on your device. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the menu. Once you tap on the menu, it will bring you to settings and privacy. You have to scroll a bit where you will find this option and then tap on settings from this menu. So once you tap on settings, all you need to do is to scroll a bit where you will find camera roll sharing suggestions. You need to tap on that. And here, get camera roll suggestions when you're browsing Facebook. So when you're using Facebook, Facebook will have the full access to your photos and videos on your device, and where they will give you suggestions that if you want to make any post of those videos and photos. So if you don't want to give permission to Facebook to access to your photos and videos, all you need to do is to disable this one. And from now on, Facebook will not have access to your photos and videos, and that way they cannot suggest you to post any videos and photos from your device gallery. So guys, this is how you can disable camera roll sharing suggestions on Facebook. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.